Welcome to another edition of this training. So we have in our previous video I've talked about how you can translate 1688. I've talked about how you can register, you can log in on 1688. But now I'm going to show you how you can select product, how to choose products, and then how to search for products and how to know a good manufacturer. So now let's go to our 1688 website. So you type it, you click OK, you wait for it to load. Right now, for you to search for any product, you click on this rectangular bar where you see this search icon. You click on it. Now this is where you type for any product you want. You type here, right? Or you want to search for a product through a picture, we call it picture search, right? So this is where you click, but we are not doing that here. So let me search for a product. Let me search for earpod. Okay, so I've searched. Okay, these are the results of the product, of the item that I search for. So you can see varieties of earpods here, right? Okay, I think the result here is limited, so let me search for it again. Earpods. Okay, so you can see varieties of the products, the item that we search for. Now for you to select a product, select for a genuine product, because on this platform you have to be careful so as not to fall victim of inferior product or a scammer. Yeah, there are also scammer here on this website. Or to avoid a fake product, there are also many suppliers that are selling fake products, right? So for you to avoid them, there are things that you have to look for. You have to do your due diligence on each and every product you want to purchase. Now the first thing you have to look out for when buying from 1688 or when buying from any supplier is to look at the year of experience, the year by which the supplier has spent on this particular website 1688. Now look at this first one. This supplier has spent 9 good years on this website, so you can say he is a trusted supplier, right? That is, he has spent many, although that doesn't determine, you also have many other criteria that we use to determine the genuineness of a supplier. So now year is part of it, year of experience. Repurchase rate is also part of it. That is the rate at which people are buying the product again, right? The rate at which people are buying the product again. Okay, for example, I bought a product from a supplier and then I like it, or maybe someone see it from me and then they said they want to buy it, and I also buy for them, and I went back to the same supplier to buy that product again. That is what we call a repurchase rate, right? So you look for supplier that has good repurchase rate, right? So now the next thing you have to look for is number of transactions. Look at this supplier now. He only has 14 transactions on this product. That is only 14 people who has bought this product from him. Now the next thing is look at this one to 109 transactions. So it means only 109 people has bought from the supplier. So you have to look for one that has more transaction. For example, look at this. Yes, look at it. I think this is a very good product. 7 years. This particular supplier has spent 7 years. The purchase rate of 69%, which is very very good. And then 1727 transactions. 1727 transactions. So that's very very impressive. So let's look for another one. Yes, so this is another one. The purchase rate of 62% and 558 transactions. So let me just look for one for so that we can use it for example. Okay, let's look at this. So this particular supplier, 11 years, the purchase rate of 57% with 131 transactions. So let's look at it. Now don't forget the 3 criteria I've mentioned so far. So, and also the rating, you also have to look at people's rating and comments on that product. So let's translate this website. Let's translate. Now look at this. You can see different price here. Now let me explain. Now what they mean is that if you are buying 2 pieces of batch, that you only want to buy 2, they are going to sell it at the rate of 22 yuan. That is, 2 is the minimum number of products you can buy, minimum number of this product that you can buy. 2 is the minimum. You can't say you want to buy 1. You don't understand? So this particular supplier is an wholesaler. You don't understand? So you can't buy 1. So if you want to buy 2, you are buying it at the rate of 22 yuan. If you are buying 100 to 999 of this item, you are buying it at 20 yuan. And if you are buying more than 1000, if you are buying 1000 or more than 1000, so you are buying at the rate of 18 yuan. So let's continue. This where you get the specification. This where you get the specification. Then this where you add your shipping address and all that. So this is the location of the supplier. So this is where you click if you want to add your address, but we are going to look at that later. So this is the review. Look at this review. Good style, comfortable quality, good price and performance ratio, high-end packaging box, will not fall off when running. So this is a very, very, very good review. Now, for you to select it, you are going to click here, add purchase cart. Add purchase cart. Right? So this is where you choose the product you want, the number. Now you can see 0 here. You want to add, you press 1, you press plus. Can you see? You can choose as many as you want, but don't forget the minimum is 2. And then this is where you select color. I think this is red color, this is blue color, and this is a black color. So now this one you can, okay, I've chosen for black. You can also choose number of another color you want, and this is red. You can also choose another number of the colors. For example, I've chosen 10 of this item, 10 of them, right? So I choose 2 here, I choose 4 here, and I choose 4 here, making 10. Want more video contents like this? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important. I'm going to be dropping more exciting videos on 1688 website. More things that you need to know, I'm going to be sending it there. Now, if you like this video, just look for the subscribe button around this video and click on subscribe. Note, subscribe is free. You are not paying anything. Just click on subscribe. Now, the reason for subscribe is that whenever I drop another video, you'll be able to see it in your notification. Click on subscribe and then turn on the notification button, and then like, comment, and also share to others. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. Bye.